And one of the other things that I think is still important to highlight, when people see our product, they always think, well, that's a sliding glass door, and it's not glass. And there are some advantages. There's times you need glass, but in so many places, in so many ways that our product has solved from a cost standpoint and long-term maintenance standpoint, having a lighter system makes it so much easier. For instance, when you do use a motorization system with our product, the motors are half the size of what's required in most industrial applications because our product's so light. That helps keep costs down, and it also helps long-term maintenance. A lot of these sliding doors we see in hotels and places where we think sliding doors really make sense, that are big and heavy, they kind of beat themselves up over time. They put all that weight and inertia on this track stop, and that track stop was designed for a few cycles, sure. But if they didn't install it perfectly in the blocking, it's going to start rocking itself kind of out of the wall, and it starts to sag, and then it starts to rub the floor, and then it just doesn't work well anymore.